Award-winning Rheem Prestige Series hybrid heat pump water heaters just got even better. Rheem, the first to use ultra-efficient heat pump technology for water heating, continues to innovate in this category. Our award-winning Prestige Series hybrid heat pump water heaters just became more advanced than ever. The all-new hybrid heat pump line saves more than $4,000 in energy costs over the life of the unit, paying for itself in under 2 years. All while delivering even more hot water than a standard water heater. Plus, the introduction of EcoNet-enabled technology provides Wi-Fi connected control both at home and away. A user-friendly LCD touchscreen display provides intuitive diagnostics and alerts, and smart servicing features for fast, accurate installation, maintenance, and repairs. Here's how it works. A fan pulls air through the upper enclosure of a heat pump. The air passes through a filter to remove any debris or dust. Heat in the air is absorbed by eco-friendly refrigerant inside the evaporator coil, and cool, dehumidified air is exhausted. Refrigerant is pumped by a compressor through the refrigerant system. The compressor increases the temperature of the refrigerant, which is delivered to the condenser. The condenser tubing is wrapped around the water heater tank, where heat is transferred from the refrigerant to the water. All functions are controlled simultaneously by an advanced control. In Energy Saver mode, the heat pump and electric heat operation is utilized to optimize efficiency based on hot water use. In High Demand mode, the heat pump and electric heat operation is utilized to optimize hot water delivery. In Electric Only mode, the heat pump is disabled and the appliance operates like a standard electric water heater. In Heat Pump Only mode, the water is heated exclusively by the heat pump operation. In Vacation mode, the water heater maintains 65-degree water for up to 28 days. The condensate drain connection routes the condensate created during the water heating process away from the unit. The electric elements are accessible on the front of the unit in an upper and lower location. The Rheem hybrid heat pump installs as easily as a standard electric water heater. It also provides more hot water than most electric units and delivers it faster. Rheem's new Prestige Series hybrid heat pump water heaters. Outstanding performance, durability, and innovation.